Hi there, in Affinity Publisher 1.8 and above, Smart Master Pages allow you to retain edited frame content on your publication page when you swap your master page for another one. So clearly if you're editing and adding text content, adding picture frames to your page, you'll want to retain that going forward rather than losing it on master page swap out. Now, another feature of Smart Master Pages is the ability to introduce different master page variants. So in other words, the positioning of the picture frames and the text frames could be very different and be introduced into a new publication page while still retaining that edited text and picture frame content. So let's just take a look here with this particular spread. This pages 1 and 2. So you see that this spread is based on master page A, so it's welcome A, 2 pages, by hovering over the thumbnail. And what's actually happened on this this publication page is we've added this text content here, and we've also added these pictures to the picture frame. So jumping to the master page and the master pages window. So master page A, which it's assigned to, if I just double click in there, you'll see, I'll just take preview off temporarily, you can see text frames, empty ones, placeholders for picture frames, and that governs the look and the layout of page 1 and 2. So if I then introduce a different master page to pages 1 and 2 by drag and drop, you'll see the Smart Master Pages functionality in play. And you can see there that the text, while retained on the page, is repositioned in different size text frames, but also the imagery has also been repositioned and reorganized, some having higher or lower priority, into different text frames according to the new master page layout. So let's continue just dragging some new master pages, and you see the design change dramatically. And you can envisage this being offered as a solution to a client. Perhaps you can just show different layouts and a different choice of how things are going to look. Okay, so let's now jump to the second spread, so pages 2 and 4, and then we'll do the same here. So at the moment we've got master page A assigned, product A, that one there. We'll just now apply B, C, D, and E. So you get an idea of the change you can make there. Now just jumping back up to pages 1 and 2, I'll just show you that, for instance, if this had the welcome A assigned back to it, and I'll right click on the thumbnail there, choose apply master, you can see that this smart master page functionality is being invoked by this option here, and this is migrate the content on, excuse me, I'll just make that both selected there. That's apply to both 1 and 2, the master page A, or in this case B, and then we'll migrate the content across. Click OK. And you can see that happening there now. So one really powerful feature of Smart Master Pages is governing which image, which text appears in which text frame. So if I jump back to master page A, and you'll see in here that we've got this picture is picture 1, this is picture 2, this is picture 3. Now, if you use the same naming of the actual picture frames and the text frames, i.e. text 1, text 2, picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, across your different master page variants. You can control exactly which picture will appear where and where text will appear. So if I just jump over to master page B, you'll see this is picture 1, which is this larger picture with this man here, will appear in the bottom right hand corner. So if I then drag that across, you should see that layout changes, and therefore that man is just there.